Today I'm sharing a gorgeous scrambled eggs recipe straight from Venezuela, Perico. And it's perfect for breakfast, lunch, or a light dinner. That feels so familiar to our Iranian eggs and tomatoes classic. Perico literally translates to parakeet, those small, colorful tropical parrots. In Colombia and Venezuela, perico is scrambled eggs cooked with sautéed onions, tomatoes, garlic, and scallions. This video is part of another global food collaboration with a group of my YouTube friends. This time we're traveling to Venezuela and cooking some of the country's most popular dishes. Please make sure to check out their videos by clicking the links in the description box and watch their recipes. So no need to wait. Let's dive right in and start making perico. Let's start with our ingredients for perico. I have got 3 medium tomatoes here and I have finely chopped them. I've got 1 medium onion finely chopped, 4 to 5 scallions using the green parts for extra color and flavor. I've got 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped. And of course, the star of this dish, eggs. I'm using 6 eggs here. And salt and black pepper to taste. Okay, we'll start by adding about 3 tablespoons of butter to our pan and letting it melt over medium heat. If you prefer, you can also use ghee, clarified butter, or a neutral cooking oil instead. Now I'm going to add the finely chopped onion and sprinkle in little salt to help it soften and release its sweetness. Okay guys, once the onion turns soft and translucent, I add the chopped tomatoes with a pinch of salt and pepper. Just like this. Perfect. And then I gently stir and let them cook down until they saute nicely and their excess liquid evaporates. So cook the tomatoes over medium heat until soft, 8 to 10 minutes. At this stage, I add the chopped scallions and garlic. Then saute them for a minute or two until their beautiful aroma releases and they blend perfectly with the rest. Now it's time for the star of the show, the eggs. Season them with a pinch of salt and pepper. Give them a quick whisk with a fork. Then pour them right over those beautiful sautéed veggies. Stir constantly but gently. Continue to do this until all the eggs are cooked. This should take around 5 minutes. Okay guys, look at that. Our perico is done. Golden scrambled eggs mixed with red tomatoes, green scallions, and soft onions. All shiny, colorful from the pan. And if you want to level up your perico, serve it warm with black beans, feta cheese, arepas, or other bread choices. And this combo is pure comfort food. If you're watching this recipe, perhaps you are a food lover. Have you tried perico before? Is there a similar dish in your culture? As I said earlier, in my country, Iran, we make something very similar. Let me yours in the comment. Take care, lots of love, and I will see you in next video.